Sanofi has been present in China for more than 40 years. In the long years, we have been able to set up a whole pharma value chain from R&D. We have several R&D centers, including one in Suzhou, Cyber, that we established in 2021. We also have 3 manufacturing plants, one in Shenzhen for vaccines, one in Hangzhou for solid pharma, and one in Beijing for injectables. And of course, we have a significant commercial presence because we have a number of drugs present on the market. We have benefited a lot from Healthy China 2030 reforms, which on one hand made a lot of mature products more affordable for patients, but on the other hand was also an opportunity for Sanofi and other pharma companies to bring a lot more innovation to Chinese patients. To give you an illustration, in the last 3-4 years, we have brought 25 new drugs or indications to Chinese patients, of which half of them last year in 2023. There is a very simple sign of this commitment of Sanofi to China, which is the fact that since the end of COVID, we've had our CEO coming at least 5 times to China, including, for instance, to iBlack last month in Beijing. We have been present in CIIE for the 6th time last year, and of course we will be also present this year. We have a whole ESCOM coming to China at least once a year. So it's a very visible sign of the importance of China for Sanofi. First of all, of course, because it has become the second biggest pharma market, but also because it has become an innovation market. And what is very interesting for us is to see that thanks to the recent reforms to Healthy China 2030, the level of innovation coming from China through local research, local biotechs has increased a lot. Which is an opportunity for Sanofi to collaborate with a lot more scientists in China. We see now China becoming a very innovative place on a number of technological platforms such as ADC, but not only. So it's of course very important for us to be present on this part also. We keep investing in China in manufacturing and R&D, as I said. We will launch a lot of new indication and drugs in the next few years. To give you an illustration, we are also committed to make this innovation available in China as fast as possible, leveraging the new NRDL reforms, for instance. This year, of course, is very important for France and China in particular because it's a 60th anniversary of our diplomatic relationship. For us, as a French company in China, it means a lot. We wanted this year, for instance, to be the year where we also increase our social impact in China. That's why we launched the Kids program, which is benefiting diabetic patients and children in China, as we have launched in a few other countries before. And we do hope it's a sign of our commitment to China. We're not here just to sell products. We're also here as a part of the local social ecosystem. We will have other things happening in this year of 60th anniversary, but I think Sanofi is very much one of the examples of what this friendship between China and France can mean, with mutual win-win developments, where Sanofi is benefiting from a very big market in China, from innovation in China. And of course, China is also benefiting from Sanofi innovation as fast as other products, which is why, for instance, we try to accelerate the submission and launch of all our products in China to make it available to Chinese patients at the same time as any other developed market like the US or Europe.